All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to the start of the second week. We're starting today, shapes of data displays. Guys, today's objective is to analyze and compare the shapes of different data displays, okay? You're gonna need to know the objective, and again, the title is right here, shapes of data displays. Okay, you're gonna need to know that because we're gonna have a notes assignment here today. We're not gonna do the self-assessment anymore, we're gonna do a notes assignment, and I'll show it to you. The essential question, what is the shape of the data display? Tell us about the set of data. Okay, again, you're going to need to know that to write it down in your notes. I'll show you. First, guys, again, the shape of a data display, it tells us a lot about the set of data. And we can actually compare then two sets of data by comparing their displays. As an example, you might want to know which car to buy. You're going to get your license soon. You might want to be getting a car. If highway fuel efficiency is the thing you're interested in the most, you're going to want to buy Type 2 here. This car has a higher fuel efficiency than Type 1, all right, based on this data right here, okay? A big outlier up here. They both have an outlier, okay? This one's way up here, 51. All right, here's two different schools, money donated. All right, Caitlin and Philip's school both have the same minimum and the same maximum. However, it looks like Philip's school raised more money, all right, because the middle of the data is higher than Caitlin's. The median is higher, and this box is closer to the middle. There's less variance in Philip's school, less variance in the middle part of the data. In Caitlin's school, the middle part is more spread out. The IQR is larger in Caitlin's school. All right? You might go into advertising, you guys. There's a lot of money in that. All right? And you want to know which show should you advertise. You're targeting viewers in their 20s. All right? Show number one, in their 20s, they have 8 people. And show number two in their 20s, they have 3 of them, that's 20 to 24. And 5 of them, that's 25 to 29. So they also have 8 people in their 20s. But it's more spread out throughout all of the 20s. They have people between 20 and 24 watching show number 2. But show number 1, based on this data, doesn't have anybody between 20 and 24. So depending on if you want all viewers in their 20s, you probably want to advertise in show number 2 here. And be careful about a couple things here. First, you see how this data might be misleading you, okay? Because there's 8 viewers in their 20s in both shows. Also, the frequency is not very high here. If we're only talking about less than 10 viewers per age group, it's not a very big sample size. So you might want to get some more information before you make a big decision about where you're going to spend a lot of your advertising money, okay? All right, this is the average number of texts sent by students on school days and on non-school days. All right, both non-school days and school days, there's someone here that doesn't send any. However, that hardly represents the difference in these two sets. On non-school days, students spend a lot or send a lot more texts. All right, on non-school days. All right, somebody up here has sent 80, okay? Guys, I did this in Desmos. In the second video, you're going to play with Desmos, and I want you guys on your own time, go in there and play in Desmos. We're going to use it a lot this trimester. I want you to get good with playing it. It's a good skill to have to learn these types of applications. All right, learn to use them. All right, these are two sets of data, A and B. This one has 6 elements, this one has 7. They have the same average. They have the same mean. See, I calculated right here. They have the same mean, 8. But these are two completely different sets, as you can see. I just want to show you, sometimes sets have the same mean, the same average. But they're not alike at all. Their medians here are completely different. I want to talk about set A for a minute. The mean, the average, is up in here somewhere. It has this one big data point up here at 32. That's what pulls the average up higher, away from the middle of the data, away from the median. It pulls the average up because of this data point here, okay? All right, after this video, we're almost done here. You guys go ahead and complete the notes assignment. I'm going to show it to you here right now. Guys, it's okay if it's not perfect. I'm not sure how well it's going to work yet. We're going to try it here and see how it works, okay? Make sure you complete the summary assessment. That's the puzzle piece. And get prepared for the Zoom meeting. These are the 5 vocabulary words, and y'all are going to need those for the notes as well, okay? Let's look at Schoology quick. This is what our course folder looks like. By the way, we have a test a week from today, okay? It's coming up. First one. Again, if you go to our course page, you can always click on the top page, and mine look a little different because I'm recording this on Sunday. Oops, I'm sorry. Guys, again, go back and click on this very top link. That's today's stuff right there, Monday, Tuesday. We're right now inside this green folder right here. You're watching this video. All right, I haven't put it in there yet, so you don't see it yet. If you need a copy of the slideshow to get the answers for the notes, it's right here. All right, this is one page of notes from the text. Take a look at it, it might help you. This is the notes assignment. I'm not sure how well it's going to work. I'm hoping it does. And yours is going to look a little different. You should have a Google Doc that pops up here. Just fill in the title, today's title. Should be able to type it in. Again, shapes of data displays. Type in the objective, the essential question, and the vocabulary words. You might not get done before the Zoom meeting. It's okay. And then 2 important things about today's lesson. All right? 2 complete sentences. You guys, and then submit it. I want to see what happens here. We're practicing. All right? I'm going to give everybody a decent score on this, but eventually I want you all to be able to do this. I want to see if it works, okay? All right, that's it. I'll see you at the Zoom meeting.